It is believed that 300 million years ago, all the continents looked like this. One supercontinent called Pangaea. It was not until 200 million years ago that Pangaea began to break apart and separate into the continents we recognize today. We will discuss the plate tectonic theory and 3 common misconceptions children have about plate tectonics. One misconception children have is that the rotation of the Earth caused the continents to move. However, the theory of plate tectonics has proven this misconception to be false. In order to understand how these continents moved into their present-day position, we must first look at the Earth's rigid outer part known as the lithosphere. The lithosphere includes both the upper portion of the mantle and the crust. The lithosphere is broken up into a dozen major and many minor plates, or slabs of rock known as tectonic plates, which the continents rest on. The movement of plates around the surface of the Earth, similar to slabs of ice on a lake, is called continental drift. It is the extreme heat from the mantle and currents of the molten rock below that make the movement of tectonic plates easier. The movement of the plates created 3 types of plate boundaries. Convergent boundaries are where plates collide with each other. Where the tectonic plates that are covered by land masses collide, the Earth's crust slowly gives rise to mountain ranges. About 55 million years ago, India and Asia crashed into each other, slowly creating the Himalayan mountain range. This kind of plate boundary also occurs where an oceanic plate dives under a landmass. This is called subduction. As the plate on top rises, forming mountain ranges, the diving plate melts, often being released again by volcanic eruptions. Another misconception children have is that volcanoes only appear on land. When 2 ocean plate boundaries collide, one plate will dive beneath the other plate, creating deep trenches. The deepest trench in the world is the Mariana Trench, which lies in the western Pacific Ocean. In a subduction zone, much of the molten material can rise through volcanoes located near the trench. This can often build mountain ranges or volcanic island chains, such as the Aleutian Islands in Alaska. Divergent boundaries are where plates move away from each other. In the oceans, magma from the Earth's mantle rises toward the surface and pushes apart plates. Mountains and volcanoes rise along the seam that is created. This process renews the ocean floor and widens the giant basins. A single mid-ocean ridge system connects the world's oceans, making the ridge the longest mountain range in the world. On land, plates move away from each other, creating rift valleys that can lead to entirely new continents or deepen valleys in already existing rifts. Transform boundaries are where plates slide sideways in relation to each other. Many children believe earthquakes happen when 2 tectonic plates crash into each other. In actuality, tectonic plates slide sideways past each other, neither creating nor destroying the Earth's crust. The surface where the plates slide past each other is called a fault. The edges of the plates are rough and sometimes jagged. This can cause plates to become stuck. While the edges are stuck together, the rest of the plate is moving. As this is happening, energy is being stored. When the force becomes too much, all the stored energy is released, causing the Earth to shake. A great example of this is the San Andreas Fault in California.